Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for my lunch meal prep video for this week. I'm gonna do a really simple fajitas for the lunch meal prep, and I got these. You know how I like to have super healthy recipes, lots of keto, low carb recipes. So I have these egg wraps, and these are gonna be my little tortilla for the fajitas for this week. So these egg wraps are net zero carbs, really great. Just put the fajita, I have chicken, I'm gonna use onion, some bell pepper, and then I'll put my cheese on the side in my little cups so that it doesn't get melted when I heat up my fajita each day. But then I'll have these on the side as well. These are 8 calories per wrap. They're so good, so healthy, basically 0 calories, 0 carbs, 0 everything. But if you're looking to have some tacos or some fajitas and you want to keep the carbs super low, these are awesome. I just get these at Walmart, so they probably have them at most grocery stores, but really awesome. So I'm going to do the fajitas, have ready to go for lunch each day this week. If you are new to my channel, I do lots of meal prepping for lunch, breakfast as well, meal prepping for my kids, who one is in kindergarten, so some toddler recipes. So check all those out and subscribe to my channel if you are new. And don't forget to click that bell button so that you get a notification when I post a new video. So lots of new videos coming out all the time. I'm gonna get this lunch ready to go for the week, and I always list the recipe and ingredients in the description box. So check that out if you wanna make this nice, healthy lunch to be organized for the week.
First, I have my chicken. I'm going to fly it open, and then I'm going to cut it into strips and then cut it into some smaller strips as well. And I'm going to just cut up my peppers and my onion and make everything into some nice size strips. You can kind of use whichever size you'd like. For fajitas, I like to cut mine just in small strips. So I'm going to cut everything up, and I'm going to add it to my bowl so that I could toss it in my olive oil and fajita seasoning. And then I'm going to put it on my baking mat lined cookie sheet, cook this in the oven. I just love sheet pan meals because they are so easy, really quick, perfect for a weeknight dinner if you need a quick dinner, perfect for meal prepping because you can make a nice big batch. But I do love sheet pan meals. They are the best. So I will put the recipe for this sheet pan meal in the description, like I said. Really quick and easy, and it's all on one cookie sheet, so you don't have to worry about doing a ton of dishes for this, which is definitely my favorite. I'm not big on making a huge mess to clean up, so I love sheet pan meals. So once everything is all chopped into my slices, I will add in the olive oil and fajita mix, and then this will be ready to go in the oven. My oven is preheated right now to 350 degrees, and I will put that in for about 20 to 25 minutes until all the chicken and the veggies are all done. And this is going to be a really great meal to have for lunch for the week. All right, so my cheese is portioned out, and I have my fajita mix is all done out of the oven. I just love this sheet pan recipe. So quick and easy, very simple. Anybody can do this one. So I'm going to portion into my meal prep containers, and I love these containers. I use them every week. If you've been around my channel, you know how much use I get out of these. They're really great investment to have for meal prepping. Got these ones on Amazon, so I will link them in the description box. If you need some new ones, these ones are really great. But so I have all of my fajita portioned out into each container, and then I will add in the side of my shredded cheddar cheese. And I like to have it separate because I heat up my fajita and then I'll put the cheese on after that. But so it's ready to go in my salad dressing cups that I use, and lunch is all set.
All right, so my healthy, easy sheet pan fajitas are ready to go, all portioned into my meal prep containers, ready to go for the week, so I'm nice and organized and can stay healthy and not have to worry about what I'm gonna make for lunch for each day this week. I hope this video gives you a little bit of meal prep motivation. I hope that you like this idea for this week's lunch. And don't forget to click subscribe if you are new to my channel. Put a like on this video and leave me a comment. If you have any questions at all, I'll get back to you in the comment section. So I hope you have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.